Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to Geospatial Tube. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload shapefile using Google Earth Engine API. Before that, I would like to remind you as usual to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell to gain some kinds of update via the notification. Before we go deep inside to how to upload the shapefile, I would like to show you the basic panels which is found on Google Earth Engine API. Here within the left corner, here is a script. The script indicates that once you are writing a certain script on the script editor, you can save it and you can easily edit, you can easily use that script for different purpose. So script indicates that the person or a certain individual is write a certain script and you can save it and you can use further. Here is a documentation. Google Earth Engine is very interesting. It have different documentations that indicates or that explains about different functionalities that is used in Google Earth Engine API. For instance, you can click here and you can read for instance, this is a certain functionality, and here there is explanation about this function, so you can easily read and understand, and you can use and you can customize the script based on the document. The other is the asset. Within asset we can create a folder. The folder is helpful to organize our data, and you can also upload the shapefile, CSV file, and the TIFF file. The second is the code editor. You can write a certain code and you can edit, you can save it, you can run or execute, you can also get a link for further inclusion of within a certain document, or you can also create the application. So this is simply code editor. You can write different code or different scripts to perform a certain task on your area of interest. Here is get a link. Once you are writing a certain code, you can get a link and you can share for your friends or for any stakeholders. Save is simply save the document what you have written on the script window. Run is a functionality that helps to execute and to gain some kinds of result within the console part. Reset, you can reset the console window. Once you are execute a certain code, you will gain some kinds of result, and if you are remove or clean the console, you can use reset. Finally, here is the app. Google Earth Engine is very essential or crucial to generate or to create application of a certain unit. So you can create application by using Google Earth Engine. We can see further by creating the application. Here is inspector. Inspector indicates that to explore about the data. Here console is for visualization purpose, and task is once the Google Earth Engine API is ordered by human being, it shows the way of processing, and it will have the orange color. And here is also the base map. The base map indicates that to make an overlay of certain raster data or shapefile within your area of interest. So let's get started with uploading the shapefile. First and foremost, you need to have a certain shapefile of your area of interest. You can clip out or you can prepare in a certain geospatial software like ArcGIS or Quantum or any other software. So in my case, I would like to upload the Amhara regional state in Ethiopia. To perform that, within the left corner, go to asset, click on asset. Here there is new, click new. As I have mentioned earlier, you can create a folder. The folder is helpful to organize the uploaded shapefile or any CSV file format or GeoTIFF. So you can create a folder by clicking this. You can give a folder name and make it OK. So go to new, and I'm interested to upload a shapefile of the Amhara regional state, and click shapefile. Once you are clicking here, the upload new shapefile asset dialog box is appear. We need to know the source file, where is our shapefile is found. So click here, directly go to your area of interest. I am interested to upload the Amhara regional state shapefile, and double click here. So what should be considered to upload a shapefile is this Google Earth Engine API, or Google Earth Engine supports the file extension of SHP, zip, DBF, PRG, SHX, CPG, FIX, QIX, SNB, or SHP and XML. So let me select or cross-check within such extension. So Google Earth Engine API is not supported SBX file extension. So remove this or unselect this and open it. Once you are making like this, all the file extension is uploaded, and you can rename the file name. Let me say Amhara region. Then make it upload. Here it indicates that on the way of processing of uploading the shapefile, this little will indicate that Google Earth Engine API is making a process of uploading our shapefile that we are ordered. After a few seconds, it is completed, and make it the right sign. Here the task is successfully completed. Once the task is successfully completed, we need to see the uploaded file within the asset. So what we are going to do is go to the left side and refresh it. That's great. Here is the Amhara region shapefile that we have uploaded earlier. So the next step is we are expected to explore the data and overlay within the base map. To perform that, go to the Amhara region shapefile that is uploaded earlier, and make it the right arrow, import to the script. Click here. Once you are clicking here, here is a variable name, is table. Let me rename it as Amhara. So the variable name is Amhara, and this is the file name. So to explore about the uploaded shapefile, double click here. Then here is asset details. Asset details indicates that the basic characteristics of the shapefile that is uploaded earlier. This is the Amhara regional state, which is found in Ethiopia, particularly in the Horn of Africa. So here's if you are not interested to this shapefile, you can delete it. If you are very much interested to share with your friends or your colleagues, you can share it. You can also edit. So for instance, there is no description here. Let me add some kinds of description to make it active edit. So this is the shape file of Amhara region in Ethiopia. If you have a certain kinds of characters that indicate the as a metadata of a shapefile, you can include this, and once you are write certain text, you can save it. Then we can also explore the attribute data of this shapefile by go to feature. Here there is feature, here is the administrative unit, that is Ethiopia. Here is a code. All these characteristics indicate that the attribute table of a shapefile related to the spatial data, so you can explore in such a fashion. Then the next step is we are overlay the shapefile within the base map. To do that, we need to write a certain line of code, like let's go to map dot add layers. Then the variable name is the Amhara region, Amhara, because this is the basic data set that we are uploaded to Google Earth Engine. So run it or execute by clicking run, or you can use your computer keyboard Control Enter. So after a while we'll gain a layer. So let's zoom. This is the Amhara regional state. The administrative boundary is overlay within the base map. So it is simple mechanism to upload a shapefile or raster data to the base map and for further processing. This is all about today's video. If you have any question, let me know. Have a nice day. Don't hesitate to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your attention.